How to turn off battery optimization on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the battery option and tap on it. In the battery menu, tap on Charging. You will see a toggle switch next to Optimized Battery Charging. Optimized battery charging is designed to extend the lifespan of your iPhone's battery. If the switch is on, tap it to turn off. A pop-up will appear, giving you options. To disable the feature completely, select Turn Off. If you disable it for a specific time, you can also select Turn Off until tomorrow. After you make your selection, the toggle will be turned off, and your iPhone will immediately charge to 100% without delay. Following these steps, you can easily turn off battery optimization on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.